y'all. This is Star with Sparkle Designs by Star. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. I wanted to come on here and share with you my April Bargain Bead Box. It's called Vintage Violet. And the Bargain Bead Box is $17.95 a month, and that is shipping and everything. And we always get like wonderful findings and gemstone beads, glass beads, the whole 9 yards every month. They also have a sister site which is called Bead Box Bargains, and if you subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box, you can go on Bead Box Bargains and use the coupon code that they give you on this paper and get whatever on there that you want for 30% off. So let's jump right into this one. It says antique bronze and rich purple tones combine to create a vintage inspired palette with faceted amethyst, purple quartz, a full strand of freshwater pearls, and a variety of crystal and glass accents. Also included are shell pearls, high quality simulated pearls made from layers of mother of pearl nacre or nacre, I don't know how you say that. But anyway, I will leave a link down below to the Bargain Bead Box. I will also leave a link to Bead Box Bargains. So here is everything we get this month. We get 20 items with approximate retail value of $68. And I already opened it, but I haven't taken anything out of the package yet. But doesn't this look yummy? It looks so fabulous, and it's purple, which is so pretty for spring. So I'm going to hop off and organize, and I'll be right back. Okay, number one. I love Bargain Bead Box as well because they number everything, and it just makes life so much easier when they number it. Okay, so number one is, I hope y'all can see okay. Number one is 22 by 35 millimeter Chandelier Focal, and it is lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, I think. And this is what it looks like. And it has all these little holes on here so that you can put chain. You can make your own dangles to hang from it. You can even put a rhinestone right here. Here's the back. Okay, we're going to put it right there. Number two is a 40 millimeter floral patterned coin pendant, and this is lead free and nickel free. This is so nice. I love this. And it's thick. It's not like it's stamped. It's substantial. It's very pretty. Okay. Number three is approximately 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter quartz round beads in lilac, and these are permanently dyed. So these are quartz beads that are dyed purple lilac. They're very pretty. Oh. And there's what the hole looks like. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Number four is 1 meter of 5 by 3 millimeter steel oval jewelry chain, lead free, nickel free. And also, I forgot to mention, this month is bronze. Every month you get a different color palette. You get different colored metal as well. And this month is bronze, antique bronze. And there's our chain. Play it like this. Number five is 3 sets of 21 millimeter steel oval jewelry. 3 sets, 21 millimeter brass oval box clasps, antique bronze finish. I don't think I have ever had these before, and I know I haven't had them in the Bargain Bead Box. Let's see what we can do here and how this works. Okay, here, whoops. All right, you have this part, and then you have this part. And I think this part goes in here like this, and you push it in, and it clasps. There you go. And then to get it open, you squish it together and pull, and then pull it out. Okay. We'll have to do some work on that and figure out how to do that. Okay. Number 6 is a 4-piece 22 by 19 millimeter swirl link chandelier, lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. And they are double-sided. You could do earrings like this or like this even. Very cool. Okay. And there's that. Number 7 is 10-piece 14 millimeter filigree medallion findings. And these are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. I don't think we've got, since I have been receiving the Bargain Bead Box, this is the back. I don't think we have got anything like this. I'm not sure where the holes are. Well, I guess they're right there. We'll have to figure that out too. But I think it's cool. I don't think we've got anything like that. Okay. Number 8 is 10 grams of 6 by 5 millimeter round spacer beads. And these are lead free and cadmium free. And these are kind of heavy too. These are nice. Okay. Whoops, I'm making a mess. Number 9 is 5 grams of 20 gauge 6 millimeter steel jump rings, lead free and cadmium free. And of course, it's that antique bronze color. There we go. Number 10 is a 16-inch strand of 3 by 2 millimeter crystal rondelle beads. And these are absolutely gorgeous. And it's vintage mix. These are very pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking up how sparkly they are. They're so tiny. And some look to be a little bigger than others. But I don't care. They're gorgeous. Okay. There's that. Whoops. I hit the camera. Okay. Number 11 is a 30 millimeter purple quartz donut pendant. Permanently dyed. This is what it looks like. It's got some veining. It has some veining in it. I don't know if you can see that on camera because of my lights, but anyway, very pretty. Okay. Number 12 is approximately a 7.5-inch strand, 8 millimeter shell pearl man-made beads, and they're in violet. And these are pretty. I like these a lot. There's the hole. I don't have any like this. I have glass pearls, but I don't have any actual shell pearls. And I may hoard these because these are gorgeous. And I don't have anything like them. They're so nice. I could have used this for Easter if we had gotten it in time. Because my shirt that I wore for Easter had purple and like a light lilac purple. But this would have went perfect with it. Too bad I didn't have those. But anyway. Alright, next we have 13. And that is a 2-piece 33 by 30 millimeter bumpy floral medallion pendant, lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. These look almost like shields. Of course, they give you 2 for earrings, and that's probably what I'll make out of them. with a beaded something up here. But I like them. And there's the back. I think those are simple, but yet elegant as well. Okay, next we have 14. 14 is a 14-inch strand, approximately 6 to 8 millimeter freshwater pearl rice beads. Now, y'all, these are like a cream color. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but they're like a cream color. Oh my gosh, look at that one right there. Look at that shine. These are gorgeous. My gosh. They're so pretty. So pretty. And I don't have anything like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love those. Okay. Next is a 20-piece 7mm 6-petal bumpy bead caps. And these are what they look like. Right there. Very nice. Okay. And we have 17. Wait. Oh, 16. Sorry. 16. And I don't have any of these either. I almost bought some of these the other day. Off of AliExpress. But anyway, these are 10-piece stud earring, brass head, stainless steel shank, lead-free and nickel-free. And they're earrings, and you can dangle something off of them. I'm glad I got these because I almost bought something like that, and I probably will go and buy some. All right, number 17. Oh, these are pretty. Is a 10-piece 14.5 by 8mm butterfly pressed glass beads, light violet. And they have like the coating on them. They're like a goldish shimmer. Those are really pretty. These would be been perfect for Easter as well. Oh well. I'm gonna wear my shirt again, so now I can make some jewelry to go with it. Okay. Number 18. And I don't like these too well that I'm fixing to show you. We have gotten these before, and I don't necessarily like them because they're very flimsy. We'll see. Well, these seem a little more sturdy. But these are just ball head pins. And these are 30mm brass ball head pin, 23 gauge. These seem to be a little more sturdy than the ones we've gotten before. Yeah, they feel a little more sturdy. So, I might actually use these. The last ones we got, which I think were the rose gold ones, I did not use those. I tried to, and it did not work out too well. So, yeah, we won't be using those. But I might use these. Okay, and number 19 is 10-piece strand, 10mm crystal coin beads, slate peacock. I love these. These are gorgeous. I love anything with this color on it. I think it's so gorgeous and sparkly. I just love those. So there's those. And then number 20 is a 7-inch strand natural amethyst, 4mm, finely faceted round beads. And these are like matte. They look matte. But they're pretty. And so, there we go. There is our box. Let's adjust the camera a little. There is our April 2021 Bargain Bead Box. Excuse me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you would, please give it a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and ring the notification bell for more videos like this. I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle, and let your sparkle and your smile shine for the world to see. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.